Hey fam, we are Polaris.
And you are tuned into
Easy Ride.
Hindi lahat na.
Lahat naman.
Pero kung may tina nga sila.
Hindi siya na lang.
Ayun, ikaw na nga. Tinuro ka na.
Ako.
Ayun.
Suko.
Ano ba yun? Sige, ako na. Sino ba? Ako? Ano yung talent?
TikTokeris.
Sino ba? Sino ba? Sino ba? Ako yung kumakain. Sino? Parang ala. Baka nagturo.
Hi guys, we are Polaris and we would like to ask you to follow our Facebook page and Polaris na may tuldok, and our Instagram na we are polaris.ph, and YouTube na we are polaris.ph, and also we are on TikTok na Polaris lang siya na may tuldok. Ayan, check our page and to see our schedule, and yun, panoorin niyo kami.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
Remember someone today with Polaris. Bye!
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.